My good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, and welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with reports wey we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the National Assembly don't take fresh move to help end the political crisis for inside Rivers State and restore democratic rule. The Speaker of the House of Representatives wey be SHàTD0WN na dey yarn this one so on Tuesday, wey be the 6th day of May for inside this year, so wey be 2025, while in dey welcome back lawmakers from their recess. And he now come dey let men dey know say the National Assembly, which is the House of Representatives, the Green Chamber, and the Senate, which is the Red Chamber, they go work together to form a powerful reconciliation committee. And men wey go dey for this committee so na respected national leaders. The job of this committee na to encourage dialogue, na to bring peace and help rebuild democracy for inside Rivers State and other troubled areas dem. According to how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Oga SHàTD0WN, wey be the Speaker of the House of Reps, he say in the coming weeks they go work with the Senate to constitute a high-level committee on reconciliation, compromising respected national figures to facilitate dialogue, to promote peace and support restoration of democratic order in Rivers State and other conflicted affected regions. And he now come dey remind the lawmakers say the House don show unwavering fidelity to the Constitution by responding quickly when the crisis bin begin for inside Rivers State. And according to him, when our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu declare a state of emergency for inside Rivers State, the House follows Section 305 of the 1999 Constitution as amended to approve the decision. Subsequently, then inaugurate a 21-member ad hoc committee led by the leader of the House to oversee the caretaker administration and ensure democratic accountability for inside Rivers State. And since then, the committee don commence their engagement with stakeholders on ground. The committee don already dey do the needful, they don already dey torchlight the things and things wey Oga Ibas dey do, and they don dey find ways and means now to bring about peace for inside Rivers State. The Speaker now wey be SHàTD0WN come use the opportunity to dey mention other achievements of the House dem, and these achievements dey include the passage of tax reform bills. He said these laws are meant to improve revenue collection and is meant to make tax rules easier and attract more investment. And he come dey yarn say this reform so na a sign of the House their strong commitment to good economic management. And now my good people, make no forget say for inside the month of March on the 18th day, the oga kpatakpata for inside we nation Nigeria, the 001 President Bola Ahmed Tinubu declare a state of emergency sake of tensions, sake of crisis wey don to happen for inside Rivers State. And from there he can suspend the governor of the state wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara plus his deputy and all the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And then he can appoint Oga Ibas to become the sole administrator of Rivers State. And my good people will not forget the reason for all this level so na sake of say tensions don too grow between Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his predecessor, the Minister of FCT, and that na Wike. Sake of this men their political beef now wey don almost divide Rivers State into two. Na why our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come plaster state of emergency. And no be lie, my good people, these two mature men their political beef don dey since the year 2023, almost immediately after Sir Sim Fubara enter office as governor of Rivers State. And based on men their testimony, based on the things and things wey come aside from the mouth of men during interviews wey dem get with Tori people, countrymen now dey see reasons to believe say the reason for the fallout, the reason for the political beef na sake of money, na sake of say Sir Sim Fubara now no come agree to dey release some certain funds, some certain amount of money to Oga Wike wey be the ladder wey Sir Sim Fubara climb to be governor of Rivers State. Na why the beef now come burst out, na why kwata come dey arise between the both warring parties. Now this my good people na the report wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another report for table wey we still need share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say The Rivers State government don receive their local government allocation from the FAAC, and that na the Federal Accounts Allocation Committee, for both January and February for this year so wey be 2025, and dem receive am from the federal government. And now data from the Federal Accounts Allocation Committee, which was published by the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation, dey show say the Rivers State government receive a total of 36.6 billion naira for both January and February this year 2025, and it was gathered say the fund was disbursed to the Rivers State government under the leadership of the retired Vice Admiral Ibok Ibas, who is currently the sole administrator of Rivers State. And once again, this fund so we just enter the Rivers State government now for January and February 2025. And sake of the data wey men publish, men now dey find out say na 16.7 billion naira na dey allocated to the Rivers State government for the month of January, and then for the month of February na 19.9 billion naira na dem release. And this fund so wey dey just release, my good people, e go good make nobody get the matter twisted. This money no be one person get am. These funds will be shared among all the 23 local government areas of Rivers State. And make no forget say Oga Lateef Fagbemi, wey be the Attorney General of the Federation, he now be don come outside come dey drop assurance say the allocation for Rivers State will be released to the state following the declaration of a state of emergency. According to how the talk take come outside from him mouth that time, he say, and to him, it will be in order for the release of the fund because the event of the extraordinary situation has brought them out of the normal situation of things. Him be don yarn give the general public say last Rivers State go receive their money sake of say Oga Ibas now don enter, sake of say there has been a declaration of emergency rule. There's an extraordinary situation in Rivers State, so things will be done, funds will be released, and last funds has been released. But even as that, men still dey kick against the leadership of Oga Ibas. Men still dey yarn say his appointment as sole administrator of Rivers State is very much alien, unconstitutional and unlawful. This my good people, na the informative I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Now may they come back with more news, may they come back with more reports, may they come back with more updates for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.